Dominica is the natural island of the Caribbean, so if their biodiversity shrinks, then that's going to affect their ecotourism, and then that's going to affect their economy. And also, the frog has cultural importance to the Dominicans. It's their national dish, although they're no longer allowed to hunt it, so they can't eat it anymore. I personally talked through email to one of the researchers for the frog on Dominica, and he said the outlook doesn't look good because of the fungus. Prior to the fungus's arrival on 2002 on the island, they had completely banned hunting and the numbers were increasing. But after the fungus arrived, the populations were just decimated. And it's a fairly new fungus. It's been around since 1998. It was first discovered in Australia, but it's throughout the entire world now. And a lot of people are researching it, but it has a lot of peculiar characteristics, and nobody can figure out how to keep the fungus from decimating populations of amphibians.
She focused on a topic with little or no information, and Maria really, she dug deep, and I thought really nailed down the plight of the mountain chicken, as it's called, even though it's a frog. It's so big, that's why they call it a chicken, and it used to be, as Maria said, the national dish. So it was served in restaurants and homes, and people ate it with great relish. We didn't get to have any, did we?
No, we are not allowed. It's illegal.
Not allowed. Also, the completeness of Maria's research. She not only researched the frog and its plight, but she also researched the captive breeding programs that are existing throughout the world, and was able to point out that not much hope for success with those either, because they can't solve the malnutrition problem for the frog. Isn't that right?
Yeah, there's a lot of problems. One of them is the malnutrition, which is causing a bone disease for the captive breeding frogs. And also because they can't figure out, they've even had the fungus, they take populations from the wild who don't have the fungus, and then when they breed them in captivity, somehow they come up with the fungus again, and they don't know how to solve that.
Do you think it would have been endangered had the fungus not happened? Do you think just by the consumption, do you think that they would have been critically endangered?
They were already at dangerous levels. I don't know where they were ranked on the red list at that time, but I know that's why they enacted the hunting ban. They put in restrictions, which they never had
prior to the discovery of the fungus.
Arrival of the fungus. And when the fungus came, they put a complete hunting ban.